Oh God.
This is not good. Oh shit.
We better get inside, Mom. Oh, there it is.
Oh my God.
I didn't go back.
We must be complete idiots to be standing out here.
Oh, I think I see it. Isn't it right there? Or
I think it would come from right here in this cloud.
we better get inside.
Oh my God. What if it comes out right on top of us?
I would be...
We'd be dead.
Yeah. You think? Oh God.
Oh.
This is getting close.
This is rotation. Yes, definitely.
This is close.
I think we better
Get inside. It stopped. The siren stopped.
It'll start up again. Because this is a rotation cloud here.
It's right on top of us, almost.
Okay.
We should enter the building.
I think we'd better get in.
It's following us.
God, what if it comes on right on top of the apartments?
We have no reaction time.
Here comes the wind.
What time is it?
Oh
My God.
fuck.
Oh my God. I see the wall.